really cool. So here's the characters, and the back is really cool. And so yeah. So first, I'm going to get scissors so I can open it. Oh, my brother's gonna get it. Hi guys, I finished the Overwatch. It's the first one, and on the other video I'm gonna build it. So right now I'm just gonna talk about all the details. So it has a guy in it. He is really cool. So if I take him out, this is him, and that's his face. But when you turn it around and add his hair, oh gosh, where'd his hair go? Oh, here it is. Watch. He looks really creepy. You can see that, right? And yeah, and here's his thing. I really like the helmet. And he has a staff, and it can turn, and there's the inside. This can go down to walk him in. And this can go up and down. And this can turn, this can move, 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 and this can move. And this can move, oh gosh, that can move. And yeah, so thanks for watching the first video. Bye!